Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title, handling type error, an integer is required, type socket, in HTTP requests with Python. Introduction. When working with HTTP requests in Python, you may encounter the type error, an integer is required, type socket, error. This error typically occurs when there is an issue with the port parameter or its type in the code. In this tutorial, we will explore common causes of this error and provide solutions to resolve it. Understanding the error. The type error, an integer is required, type socket, error is raised when a socket object is passed instead of an integer value for the port parameter in the HTTP request. This can happen if there is a mistake in the code or if incorrect data types are used. Common causes. Incorrect port specification. Ensure that the port number is specified correctly as an integer. If a socket object is mistakenly passed instead of an integer, the error will occur. Variable overwriting. Double-check if the variable used for the port is inadvertently overwritten by a socket object elsewhere in the code. Invalid data type. Confirm that the port parameter is assigned an integer value and not a socket object or any other data type. Solving the error. Let's look at an example code snippet that triggers the type error, an integer is required, type socket, error, and then explore how to resolve it. In this example, we mistakenly assign a socket object to the port variable. To fix this issue, we need to ensure that the correct data type, integer, is used for the port. By using an integer for the port parameter, we resolve the type error, an integer is required, type socket, error. Conclusion. Handling HTTP requests in Python requires careful consideration of data types and parameter values. The type error, an integer is required, type socket, error is a common issue that can be resolved by ensuring that the port parameter is correctly assigned an integer value. Always double-check your code and verify data types to prevent such errors when making HTTP requests. ChatGPT.